I love to annoy my cat. Let me do practically anything to him. Sometimes I pretend like I'm gonna rip his head off. Like, ooh, shake that leg. Shake it. He's got a mean grip. Let's see if I can get him to grab my finger. Bend his knuckles and everything. Grab me. Grab me. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. What are you doing? I haven't even got his ears to go back yet. Usually when their ears go back is when they're annoyed. How to annoy your cat. This cat is way too chill. There you go. Get to kicking. Kick me. Kick me. Man. Hey. 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 Why don't you just get annoyed? I cover it up with a blanket. Hang like that. Oh, okay. Whatever. I'm just a cat. I don't give a shit. You need to care more. Care more. Hello. Say hello to YouTube. Oh, that's funny. I'm an asshole. He loves it though. He takes it as signs of affection. It's like, oh, I love it when you just touch me. I don't care how you touch me. As long as you touch me, I am happy. Look at me. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Happy, happy. Happy, 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 happy. I hate my life. Help me. Goodbye.